This week we're going to do a little more practice using our knowledge of fractions to help with cooking. So last week you had a recipe that you made larger by adding or multiplying the ingredients. This week you have a large recipe that you're going to make smaller by dividing the ingredients. This recipe comes from your very own Miss Kata. It is a recipe for granola. So you're going to take each ingredient and divide it in half, and then as a challenge you're going to take each ingredient and divide it into 3 sections to make it a third smaller. So first, when you divide each ingredient in half, think about 8 1/4 cups of oats. So you would take the whole number, the 8 cups of oats, and divide that in half, and that makes 4 cups. And then I'm going to take that 1/4 cup of oats, here's an image of a quarter over here, and think about dividing that in half. So if I were to divide this in half, divide each of those sections in half, then that would make 8 pieces, so that would be 4 1/8. Oops. 4 1/8 cups of oats. And if I take 3 cups of chopped almonds, 1, 2, 3 cups, and I divided it straight in half, I've got my whole cups on the side and a half a cup in the middle, so that would make 1 1/2 cups of chopped almonds. So you can see dividing things in half is actually pretty simple. It gets a little more challenging when you divide things by 3. So that's why I said that's a challenge. Do the best you can with that. We're going to practice this a little bit more during our class meeting on Tuesday about how to divide fractions in half. So we'll get help a little bit on the Tuesday class meeting. I'll see you then.